What's up, guys? Welcome back again. Today I want to talk quickly about Paystack. They have this new products page that I'm really excited about. Let me quickly show you how it works. So basically you need to create an account on their platform, go to their commerce payment pages, and that's pretty much it. To get to this stage, obviously you have to get your business approved, which you can do that from, I think before you get approval, you would have a getting started link over here where you can register your business as a registered business or as an individual. So they have different registration process. I did with the individual kind of process and I got my account approved. So in the pages, payment pages with the products allows you to simply put, just get a page for your business and be able to add products, which can be, in my case, I'm using it for digital products. For the past 2 weeks, I've been thinking of ways to monetize some of my content, which is my stock footage I have, the drone shots and whatnot. And I was looking for options as to how to best sell them and manage it myself. Looking at different options like a WordPress with WooCommerce and payment plugins and whatnot. I came across this Paystack option and I really like it. It makes the entire process seamless and it's straight to the point with everything integrated in one place. Accepting credit card, mobile money, everything is done seamlessly. Paystack is currently in Ghana and they're operating. I learned they're already cashing in with most of the payments happening here in the country. And it's an exciting feature that I just wanted to share with you guys. So you can go onto currently my custom page and see products such as my stock footage, and you can buy them right in there. Seamless and straightforward. I like the feature, and I will really wish Paystack maintains it as it is without adding extra bells and whistles and whatnot just to bloat it. It's currently simple, it's straightforward, and I really like everything about it. So basically, this is the main page where you can go and you see all the products I've added. I would love to see a bit of a description added to the page where I can click here to see like a description of this particular product. But that is a nice to have feature, not really a breaking feature. Also, I would really love to see on a detail page like this one, where I will have the presentation done nicely in such a way that the line breaks are also visible and just the presentation it's nicer. Apart from that, I like the current implementation. Everything checks out for me, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you're looking for a way to either you want to sell your book or something of that sort, this is a really nice way to go about it. Hopefully someday they will add the option where after buying a product, there can be a success link where it will reveal a link where when you click on that, it takes you to where you are going to get your digital product or whatnot. All those are nice features that can be added eventually, but I really like the current implementation and I'm happy for something like that finally being available here in Ghana. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can check them out. Fun fact, this is not a sponsored video. I just came across it, used it, and I really like it. So I thought I would share with you guys. Probably someone out there is looking for a solution like this, and this is a really great solution from Paystack. So that's it for me. If you would like to sign up, you can check the link in the description, and we'll talk to you guys in the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.